Hey guys, so quick little review on one of my must-have products in my skincare routine. This is the LANEIGE Lip Mask, and I just love this product. I truly feel like this is like the best lip balm slash lip mask for lips, and I've tried a whole bunch because I do have pretty dry lips and it can get like really dry sometimes. And what I do with this product is I apply some of it when I'm about to sleep, and just apply it. And it's also like shiny and glossy, so I love to carry it in my purse and apply it throughout the day. They have a lot of different like flavors. This is the sweet candy one, which I love, but I definitely tried some others, but I truly feel like this is like sweet and smells really great. As you can see, it's like very shiny, so it also works like a lip gloss, but you're moisturizing your lips as well, which is super important. So what I do is I apply it before I go to sleep, and when I wake up, I'm not kidding you guys, I wake up with the product on, so it has like a super long longevity on your lips. And once you apply it, if you have really dry lips, it truly moisturizes your lips. So it's not only a lip mask, but it's also like a lip balm you can wear, and it comes with a little spatula for you to apply. I lost it, but I also feel like that's really cute and practical. So this is my favorite product for lips, guys. Definitely try this out if you struggle with dry lips.